Watch out, I'm standing right here. Okay, that's gonna probably come out and you're gonna probably have to trim it for that. Here comes a nice stiff breeze, so I want to see how it handles in the breeze. It looks great. You don't want to do another altitude hold? We got battery. It hasn't beeped yet. Wait for one beep, I think.